At first I have to select gauge from the visualizations tab. Then we are going to build a gauge chart based on total sales. So let me drag total sales in value. It shows the value over here. And there are different kind of options like minimum value, maximum value, target value. Let's put a target into the target value field. So I have already created a measure sales target which has the value of 600,000. Let me put it in target value. You see here the target is showing over here 600k. Now what we can do is like this shows the overall data. 2 million is for 5 or 6 years of data. What we can do is add a slicer. List slicer, okay. List slicer and put the year over here so that we can filter it out year by year. So for 2014 is 484k and the target is 600k. It does not meet the target. Now another thing you might notice is the minimum and maximum values are changing according to the years, and Power BI is calculating it automatically randomly. So what we can do is fix this thing. For this we have to create a new measure. Let me create a measure. Min gauge equals 0 and max gauge equals suppose 1 million. So 1. Yep. I'm putting it in minimum value and this one in maximum value. Right. So you see now this minimum shows 0 and 1 for all the years. It remains the same. This title is not looking good. Let me remove it. Title is off. Now it looks much better, but we can make it more appealing. When the target does not meet, the color should be red, and when the target meets, then the color should be green. So we can do this by conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting tab, that is inside colors, you will find a FX button. This shows conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, there are different options. I will select rules based on total sales. The rules should be if value is greater than equal to 0 and is less than the target, that is 600,000, then the color should be red. And if it is more than 600,000 and is less than a huge number, then the color should be green. Okay. Now see, for 16 and 17 it's showing green because it exceeds the target, and for 14 and 15 it shows red because it does not meet the target.